Every year Apple makes a big deal about its new iPhone. But this time, something completely different is happening behind the scenes. And honestly, it could change the iPhone story forever. For the first time in Apple's history, the iPhone 17, every single model, is being made in India. Not just the budget one, not just a test run, literally all of them. And that's wild when you think about it because Apple has always leaned on China for almost everything. So why India? Well, Apple has been quietly setting up shop across the country. They've got multiple factories running, Foxconn's shiny new plant near Bangalore, big operations in Tamil Nadu, and Tata Group stepping up in a huge way. In fact, Tata is expected to handle nearly half of India's iPhone production in just a couple of years. That's not a small shift. That's a revolution in Apple's supply chain. And the numbers? They're kind of mind-blowing. Between April and July this year, India shipped out around $7.5 billion worth of iPhones. Just 4 months, and they're already halfway to beating last year's record of $17 billion. Some reports even say India may have already passed China when it comes to iPhones sent to the US. That's massive. But let me ask you this. Do you actually care where your iPhone is made? Most people don't. Polls show almost half of buyers only care if the price changes. Some people care about the made-in label, but the majority, they just want their phone in hand on launch day. No delays, no sold-out chaos. And that's the beauty of this move. Apple is spreading out production so there's less risk, less shortage, and hopefully more stock ready right when the iPhone 17 drops. No more waiting weeks while your friends already flex their new phone. Of course, Apple has bigger reasons too. Politics, tariffs, rising costs in China, it all adds up. By betting on India, Apple isn't just making a phone. It's making a statement. It's about freedom, stability, and preparing for the future. So when the iPhone 17 launches next month, remember this. It's not just another Apple release. It's the start of a new chapter. The iPhone 17 isn't only built for the future. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.